Hi, this recording is going to take you through how to add an interactive document to your course site. Come to your course site, find the space where you want to put the submission point, come to build content and scroll down to interactive documents. Give a name to the document, remembering this is editable. Scroll down to enable evaluation, and even if it is formative, just put it on yes and put a 0 in. Now, once the link has been created, click in. You will notice that the LTI launches in a new window, a new tab. First thing to pop up is usually the FeedbackFruits chat. You will notice there's an instruction video and a Get Started tab. Click on Get Started. You'll notice that in the working space, you've got a help center, chat, and the video. And if you've created any other interactive documents, those resources will be sitting here. So I'm going to start a new one. So the first thing you need to do is choose a document that you want your students to work on together. Now, while this is processing, you can see here that it's getting itself all organized. If you've made a mistake, you can change the file. Simply come up here. There are settings that you need to consider, and we'll wait for this to finish. And here we've got it. So we're going to open up the document and we're going to put the questions that you want to add to the document here. There's a little plus, and you can either ask a practice question or a discussion thread. So you have a choice of a multiple choice or an open question. So I'm just going to write a question here. And then you can put, if you need some more answers for students to choose from, click there, and then the right answer. Now, you can put where it relates to just here. So you can see that this question relates to this first section. If you cut it a bit fine, you can extend it. You can make it a hurdle question, and then you can publish it. You can also allow students to select multiple answers if you wanted. You can see that has saved. So we want to go further down the document, and we want another, but this time we want a discussion thread. We're just going to put it around the literature, and then you publish. If you need to put more information, you can certainly do that. So that's how you do an interactive document. Coming back to the workspace, let's have a look at the settings you may want to consider. If it's a copyright, you may want to you should turn that on. And if you are getting students to work in groups and annotating their document together, you would turn that on. So here is where you can see how this is displayed in your course site. So if you leave it always open and never closes, that gives you less things that could go wrong, but you can change it to a scheduled opening or opening it manually if you want to do something when you're online with the students and you don't want them to do it beforehand. And this lovely little overview gives you a rundown of what is happening when you change any of these. Now, if you were marking this, you can add a grading module, and that's very easy to set up. As you can see, it's already got what this thinks you're wanting to do, but you've also got other options. So once you've finished, you simply save. There was also another module which was around adding more instructions if you need to add some. So for now, that's it. Thanks very much. Bye for now.